Subscribe to my channel Making Impossible and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any one of my upcoming videos.
Yo, what's up friends? I'm Shulazari and welcome back to Making Impossible, the channel that teaches you how to make the impossible and be the smartest person in the room. In today's video, I'm going to teach you an amazing card trick in which you're going to do a color change as well as a card teleportation. And this card trick is not for beginners, but trust me, if you actually follow my instructions throughout the video, you'll be able to do. And if you're a beginner, I'll link you to another video which is going to help you do this card trick. So without any further ado, let's start our today's video.
This week's Instagram feature goes to Random Hooded Stranger. Follow this person on Instagram. Link is given in the video description. I'll feature one lucky Instagram user every Monday in my Smack That Monday episodes. If you want your Instagram profile or page to be featured in my next Smack That Monday episode, follow the simple steps that are given in the video description. So now, let's continue.
Okay guys, here is a performance of this card trick. Now as you can see, I have this deck of cards completely mixed up, right? What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take a look at the top card, okay? And in this case, it is the 3 of Hearts. What I'm gonna do with this 3 of Hearts is I'm gonna take that card and I'm just gonna put it right over here in my back pocket, okay? Now the 3 of Hearts is right now in my back pocket, okay? And my hand is completely empty. What I'm gonna do right now is I'm just gonna take a look at the next card, which is the King of Diamonds. I'm just gonna take this card, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to shake it just like that. And as you can see that the King of Diamonds has changed into the 3 of Hearts because the card that is in my back pocket, it is right now the King of Diamonds. So this is how the card trick looks like. Let's see how you can do this card trick. Okay guys, here is how you're going to do this card trick. Now for doing this card trick, you need to know 2 moves. The first one is a double lift, which is known by every magician who does card trick, because this is a very basic move in the card magic. So in a double lift, you're actually turning 2 cards as one, but it looks like that you're turning just 1 card while you're actually having 2 cards in reality. So this is what a double lift is. So at first you need to do a double lift, and then you need to know how to do the one-handed top palming. And the one-handed top palming is a move in which you actually palm the top card with just one hand while your spectator is not watching you do that, okay? Now I know you saw a peek of it because I didn't care. You just need to know what the one-handed top palming is. And this move is going to be the difficult part for those people who are beginners in card magic trick. And if they're watching this video and they don't know the one-handed top palming, this trick will be very difficult for them. So I suggest them to actually learn the one-handed top palming, and I have a tutorial for it, and the link to the tutorial will be given right in the description box as well as in the card. So make sure you check that tutorial out so that you can learn the one-handed top palming, okay? So now, assuming that you know the double lift as well as the one-handed top palming, I'm jumping into the card trick. So for doing the card trick, what you're going to do is you're actually going to, at first you're going to do a double lift, okay? And you're just going to show the second card as the top card, and you know that there is one more card on top of it, but the spectators won't know that, and the spectators are going to think that this is the top card. So right now you're going to say to your spectator that you're going to take this card and put it in your back pocket. So you're going to turn this card over and take a single card, which is the actual top card, not the Queen of Hearts, and put it in your back pocket in front of your spectator, okay? So the spectator gets convinced that you have put the Queen of Hearts in your back pocket. So right now the spectators know that the card, the Queen of Hearts, is right now in your back pocket, and at this point you're going to do another double lift, and the spectators are going to see another card, okay? But you know this time that the Queen of Hearts is hiding right under this random card, this second card, okay? So the spectators are going to know that the Queen of Hearts is here and the 10 of Clubs is the current top card, but right now you know that the 10 of Clubs is actually the second card and this is the actual top card. So you're going to do a double lift and turn this card, and you're going to just keep this card right over here. Now here the one-handed top palming move comes into play. So you're going to hold the deck in the barrel grip, and as you're shaking the deck of cards, you're actually doing the one-handed top palming, and since you're shaking, the card moving from that point to your palm is not visible, and it looks like that this card has changed into the Queen of Hearts while you're actually shaking the deck of cards. So you're going to use that move, the one-handed top palming, to do the color change. And you're going to do the color change, and they're going to see that the Queen of Hearts, which was in your back pocket, is right now the Ten of Clubs has changed to the Queen of Hearts, which was in your back pocket. And then what you're going to do is, after you have done the change, you're immediately going to hand this deck over to this hand. And since this is not your normal position of your hand, don't keep this hand in front of the spectator for a long time. You just do the change and say to your spectator that this card has changed, the Ten of Clubs has changed into that card, which is right now in the back pocket, which means in the back pocket. And as you hand the card over, the deck over to your hand, to your other hand, you saw me, I'm going quickly to my back pocket, because this is not a natural hand position. This looks more of like I have something hidden inside my hand. So I'm just going to do the color change, and then I'm just going to hand this deck over to the spectator, and I'm just going to go back immediately to my back pocket. And then I'm actually putting my hand inside my back pocket, and as I put my hand inside my back pocket, what I do is I use my thumb to push this card a little bit inside the back pocket, but don't leave the grip of this card, because I can confuse it with the other random card which is already present inside the back pocket. So I need to bring this card out itself as the card that I put in my back pocket. So what I'm going to do is, as I have this card palmed in my hand, I'm actually going to go back in my back pocket, push this card a little bit inside, and then bring that card out. And I'm going to do that just like that, without turning much to the spectators, so that they cannot see that I'm actually putting this card and then actually taking that out. So I'm just doing the color change just like that, and then I'm going back and bringing out the card just like that, and it looks like that I'm bringing out the card that I kept at the beginning of this card trick. And then I'm turning it over slowly to reveal that this card has changed. This card has changed into the Queen of Hearts, and the Queen of Hearts, which was in my pocket, has changed into the Ten of Clubs, and they switched positions. So this is how the card trick looks like, and that's it for the tutorial. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you did so, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram at shoelazari. Also, if you have any questions, you can use the comment section for that, and don't forget to subscribe to my other channel, which is a pretty savage channel. I post funny videos over there, and the link to the channel will be given right in the description box as well as in the cards. And don't forget to smash the subscribe button of this channel if you're not a subscriber yet, and turn on the post notifications so that you don't miss my upcoming videos and my future Smack That Monday episodes. Peace.